Yo, 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 we're back! Places everyone, roll camera, cue the Sigma! Really? The only brain rot we only like is Sigma. We don't like the others. And as always, it was cringe just like Megadeth's Ride the Lightning cover. Stop disrespecting my Ride the Lightning! Oh god damn it! You know what? That's it! I'm going to generate a random explosion right now! Great going, Dave Mustaine. Your random explosion just planted Dave Mustaine and Shadow the Hedgehog into the ground. Yeah, what's with Dave Mustaine anyways? Anyways, let's dig our way out of here. I do not say blah blah blah. Yup, I'm completely fine. No, it's not, Suction Cup Man. Don't you even think about it, Dieter. Just me and Daddy Hagrid coffee for 80 whole days. Let's see who we get today. Right there will be me, Soldier Watson. Well, I gave a Dr. Eggman Suction Cup and Rowley Jefferson the Group. It's because of the views and heroes song. It's because you make a stride from this from that song. It's when you turn and say, Dr. Eggman, Groove, Suction Cup, and Rowley Jefferson to the purple and red. And I took down my waist all over family land. The given for my looking at the What the hey, Eggman? Why are you singing a pizzeria song? Yeah, I'd rather listen to Ratchet Happy Birthday by Drake over this. Anyways, places everyone, roll camera, cue to Mr. Gritty! Oh, calm down, Scout, you dumbass. At least it wasn't Ross or Suction Cup Man getting it wrong. Hey, Fred. I'm gonna give you a shit kick.